guys, it's me, your Mommy Cat here in Canada. Oh, hi. Can you say hi, guys? Hi, guys. And so yung kasama ko nga ay napakalikot. Ito ay na-open na nila pagkabili ko at nawala na nga yung ibang isda. Pero this is Miss Rachel Sort and Count Nesting Block. So because Chloe loves Miss Rachel. Ayan. At yung pinakagusto niyang song ni Miss Rachel is yung One Little Blue Fish Swimming in the Water. Can you come with me? Kasi nga, o-open ko na ito for you So, let's open it. And after you open it, there's a learning card to how to use this one. So, pwede mo siyang use in different ways. Let's open it and show it to them. And then, there's the fishy. Wala na yung blue fish. There's the fishy, guys. May 1 little blue fish, 2 red fish, 3 yellow fish, 4 green fish, I think. And 5 little rainbow fish. But, it's kulang. It's kulang na, guys. And then there's the boxes in like 5 boxes here so they can sort it. So this box has number 1, 1 little blue fish, star, and the number 1 hand sign. Same as this box. So Coco. Coco, come here. Oh, where's the blue one? No more. No more blue one. So there's number 3 box, number 4 box, and number 5 box. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. So there's 1, so the blue fish, is the fish, 3 yellow fish, 4 green fish, and 5 rainbow fish. So there's 2 na lang yung red. 2 pala talaga yung red. So 2 little red fish swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 bubble. What are you gonna say? Bubble, 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 bubble. Pop. So Coco can sort the fish. And then rainbow fish. And Coco can build aray ko, nakakalikot naman ng kasama ko na rin. So Coco can sort and build a tower with this one. No! So that's it, guys. Super happy naman ng Coco kaya nga nawala na yung ibang fish. But this is a nice toy for kids. I think this one is, how much is this? This is $24.97 yung regular price niya, but it's on sale kaya binili ko na siya. Ayan, so, yan lang, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye! Can you say bye? Oh, you're showing it to them how to start it. Okay, can you say bye to them? Oh, can you blow them a kiss? Thank you! So, yun lang, guys. Thanks for watching sa napakagulong unboxing. Bye! Ayan.